April 19th, in China, robots ran 21 kilometers, faster than the human world record. Same weekend, America's most famous robot stood in a glass box, waving at people. That's not a technology gap, but a business gap, and it matters to you. Let me show you what actually happened. In Beijing, over 100 robots ran a real half marathon. Last year, the winner of this same Beijing robot race took 2 hours and 40 minutes. This year, 50 minutes. The fastest human ever ran it in 57 minutes and 31 seconds. This isn't a lab demo. This is a real stress test on public roads. And for the first time, robots show they can keep working continuously in the real world. Same day, different country. Boston held a small robot race, only 50 meters long. And Tesla put their Optimus robot behind a window at the Boston Marathon just to wave at runners. I'm not saying which one is better, but the business logic is totally different. The US is building high-end tech stars and exploring how robots engage people. China is testing whether robots can actually survive real work. So, how does China put 100 robots in a race? Well, they are cheap. I already brought down the cost secrets in a previous video. Short version, a humanoid robot is basically an electric car with legs, motors, sensors, batteries. China already makes all of this for years at scale. That's how costs come down. And when something gets cheaper, it doesn't stay in the lab, but goes into the real world. Every robot in that race learned something. Where did it slow down? When did it lose balance? What made it fail? Now imagine that times 100. You cannot buy that in a lab. You can only get it in the real world. And this isn't just a domestic market. I talked to a buyer at the trade show here last week. He came from Italy. I asked, "Why are you here?"
Italy, because technology comes from here, and so we find more choice, a more nice product, and also convenient price.
He's not here to buy robots, just sourcing products. But global buyers already see China this way. The robots are just the newest version of a very old story. Now, here's the part no English medium covered. Even with all of this, there's still a gap. 2 top robots crossed the finish line, but the faster one didn't win. Why? Because it was remote controlled. But that's not what won the race. The winner was a robot that made its own decisions by itself. Why does this matter? Because right now, every Chinese robotics company is racing to solve exactly this problem. Not the hardware. The hardware is ready. One problem is left. Can the robot make decisions without a human watching? Whoever solves that first owns the factory floor. And once that problem is solved, this stops being a tech story and becomes a business story. So, what does this mean for you? A robot that runs 21 kilometers can work an 8-hour shift. Same distance, same endurance. If it can handle real roads, it can handle real factories. Which jobs move first? I covered that in a previous video. But here's what that video didn't say. It won't look like mass layoffs. It will look like we need 50 workers for the warehouse. And the manager says, let's try robots first. Jobs don't disappear. They just stop being filled. That's quieter and faster. The companies that use robots will make money before the ones that built them. You can already rent one in China around $300 a day. Full breakdown in my last video. This wasn't about robots beating humans. Robots are finally becoming usable. And once something becomes usable, it scales. And once it scales, it becomes business. I'm Scarlett. I spent 10 years doing business in Shenzhen. Follow me. I show you how Chinese tech is changing business.